If I wanted to learn English speaking from zero in 2025, I would follow for myself to express myself in English. In the students community, I would record myself on my smartphone. If I had to learn English speaking from scratch, what would I do in 2025? I would basically follow these 5 simple steps as a beginner to learn English speaking as fast as I can. I'd start reading books on daily basis at least for 1 hour. I'd go for reading English articles and magazines as much as I can. Investing 1 hour in reading books, articles, and magazines will definitely help me in building my strong vocabulary. In order to speak English confidently and fluently, I would basically need lot of content for reading. The research has shown that if you read the content about the language you want to learn, you increase your efficiency of that particular language by 15%. So being MA English and B.Ed, I have trained hundreds of students online as well as offline in learning English speaking. So if you also want to learn English speaking as a beginner, I suggest all of the students to follow these 5 basic steps regularly to speak English confidently and fluently. I would definitely listen to a lot of English speakers. I would listen to non-native speakers. I would listen to native speakers. I would listen to podcasters. I would listen to English videos, to the audios, so that I can learn different pronunciation from different kinds of people. In 2025, I would definitely invest at least 30 minutes regularly watching expert English speakers. The research has shown that if you listen to the English content on a regular basis, it will help you gain the competency by 40%. So it is amazing. How did you learn your mother tongue when you were a child? You copied the seniors, you observed their body language and expressions, you tried to imitate and copy the words and sentences they used, and then you tried to speak those words and sentences in your own style. In this way, you learned your mother tongue. Same is the case with English speaking. Listen to the expert English speakers and try to build your own style in English speaking. If I wanted to learn English speaking from zero in 2025, I would follow step number 3 as writing. I would definitely read lot of content in English. I would maintain a daily journal or notebook where I can write or put the words and the important sentences that I would learn from English experts, from English books or articles and magazines. I would look for different English words along with their meanings. I would look for different English sentences and their meanings. Basically, I would build strong content treasury for English speaking. It is said that when you write the English words and sentences, when you write about the content in English, it gets registered in your subconscious mind. When you write something again and again and again. So basically, you would need less effort in future to deliver the same content. The research has shown that if you write the content about English language, you learn English proficiency by 10%. So after completing these 3 important steps, I would definitely go for English speaking. I would create lots of ways and opportunities for myself to express myself in English, online as well as offline. I would definitely join the students community for expressing myself in English language. I would either hire a mentor or teacher to listen to my English speech, or I would take the help of online apps for expressing myself in English language. I would record myself on my smartphone so that I could look at my mistakes and I perform better the next time. I would definitely look for the areas of improvement to express myself in English. I would definitely look for the online live classes as well as offline English classes. I would definitely take the help of siblings or parents, or I would find different kinds of stages where I would express myself in English confidently and fluently. Speaking English fluently is all about practice. Basically, I would find the ways on daily basis, not on weekly basis or monthly basis or yearly basis, but on daily basis to improve myself. I would improve myself on daily basis again and again and again, become fluent at English speaking. Simple step number 5. I would repeat the process. Listen, read, write and speak. So in this way, I would make myself relevant for English speaking. Because education is a lifelong process. It's a continuous process. It is not one day process or 1 week or 1 month process. If I had to learn English speaking from scratch in 2025. For more English learning videos, subscribe this channel right now and also share with your friends and colleagues.